Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. We have had viewer requests for a plush animal from Kira's collection. So today we share with you how to make a cute little wombat. This simple sewing project is made from felt and can be hand or machine sewn depending on the tools you have access to. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! I googled the internet for toy wombat sewing patterns, but nothing looked quite right. So I widened the search and found this Pretty Toys 2009 template for a plush piglet on Pinterest. Since this is only for personal use, copy and paste the image into a Word document, enlarging to fill an entire A4 sheet. Although the pattern is in Russian, the main shapes are very clear. For this, we need the body, underbelly, nose, ear and feet pieces. From a sheet of mid-brown felt and scraps of dark brown and white felt, cut out the key shapes, noting if you need to cut multiples of certain pieces. Next, cut the Y-shaped slit from the top of both body pieces. To assemble, take your semicircular foot piece and pin below one of the scallops of the underbelly. Make sure the ends of your foot match up with the ends of the scallop. Sew a straight stitch along the curve to connect them. Repeat for your other foot pieces. Next, fold the feet outward and align one body piece with one side of the underbelly. Match up the snout, then sew along the edge, skipping over the front foot. Sew together the short center, skip over the back foot, then sew until you reach the back center mark. Repeat this step to join the second body piece with the other side of the underbelly. Now we can insert the ears. Place your brown felt piece along the open end of the Y slit at the back of the body and pin the white felt piece along the Y slit at the front. We place the tips of our ears inward to hopefully look more like a wombat's than a pig. Stitch together. Following this, join the white and brown ear pieces, good side facing in, and sew around them, getting as close to the edge as you can. With the ears completed, we can now join the front face section of the wombat and sew closed. This is what we have so far. Turn the face area right side out. Take your nose piece and pin in place. Now, make dots evenly on each side to mark out your wombat's eyes. Here we switch to a needle with black cotton thread. Starting from the wrong side, push your needle through the fabric, coming out slightly below the nose piece. Pull the thread over and insert into the dark brown felt using a blanket stitch to secure. Continue weaving the needle in and out until you have completely covered the entire oval. Push the needle through to the wrong side and lock your thread, but don't cut it just yet. We can now sew the mouth details with a back stitch. I'm not very confident explaining stitch styles, but we'll link some helpful tutorials in the description box below. When you are done with the mouth, don't cut your thread yet, as we can move up and stitch the eyes to finish the face. Turn your wombat wrong side out once more. We are ready to sew the spine section of the body closed. Leave a small gap at the base or tail area so we can flip right side out and fill with stuffing. Hand or machine stitch the gap closed and your custom plush wombat is done. Now Kira has a new Aussie animal friend to care for and keep her company while visiting her aunt's wildlife clinic. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!